A new executive committee of Tipra Nationalist Employees Association was formed with 32 members. This committee will last for 2 years. Biralal Debarma was appointed as a president and Prasanta Koloi was appointed as a secretary of the committee. On Sunday, after state conference program, TNES Secretary Prasanta Koloi called for meet-up and announced the following. One-day state conference program of Tipra Nationalist Employees Association was organized at Agartala Khezurbagan Shahid Bhagat Singh Yuba Awas Hall on Sunday. The state president of IPFT, Prem Kumar Riang, inaugurated the program by lighting a candle. The State Cooperation and Tribal Welfare Minister, Shukla Charan Noatia, was invited as the chief guest. The State Secretary of IPFT, Sopon Debarma, Vice President Prasanto Debarma, and other executives of IPFT also attended the program. Similarly, the State BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharjee also attended the program. The State President of IPFT, Prem Kumar Riang, the State Cooperation and Tribal Welfare Minister Shukla Charan Noatia, and the State BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharjee had given the speech at the program. At the end of the program, they decided to form a new committee with 32 members for 2 years. Biralal Debarma was appointed as a president and Prasanta Koloi was appointed as a secretary of the committee. On Sunday, after state conference program, TNES Secretary Prasanta Koloi called for meet-up and announced the following.
press meet ni lahar mungtang tam bagai press meet khajak tong.
Delegate hambai sini media person sono ini sini TNEO by kobokjak salsani conference tongmani engkai o conference sini ad hoc committee tongmani central committee abono sobai some full fledged kaisa committee khaka 32 jona tui sini kaisa committee panel khaka engkai abono central committee tai tinini o central committee 2 bosoni bagai khajak engkai o tinini je conference ni 2 bosoni bagai khajak ni bisingo president chongjakha tini boromram sar Biralal Debarma tai general secretary chongjakha ang sakpa Prasanto Koloi engkai aboni loge tongo tini vice president 8 jona tongo SGS tongo 8 jona chief organizing secretary tongo tini Prakash Debarma tai finance secretary tongo tini boromram Roti Debarma aboni sate sate tai sini advisory committee bahani chongjakha advisory committee ni chairman angka sini boromram sar Sukut Debarma bo KRPP ni sini deputy director tai boni logo member of 7 jona na tui member chongjakha total 10 jona member tongo tai 3 jona sini CA অর্থাৎ সেন্ট্রাল অ্যাডভাইজারি কমিটি নি जों उलो आबो फिलआप खायनाय थिक अफ हायखानो जोंनि सेन्ट्रेल एक्जिकिउटिभ कमिटिनि बाहायनो नागिसा जोंनि फिलआप यातंखो आवरानो जों नेक्स्ट सीसी मिटिं आसमानि परे जोंनि सेन्ट्रेल कमिटिनो जों फुल प्रेजेक्ट खायनाय ताबो फुल प्रेजेक्ट नो तामगे जोंनि कन्स्टिट्यूशननि मुताबिक जोंनि 70 जना থেকে 250 जना जोंनि सीसी मेम्बर दङ आबोनि बागै जों नेक्स्ट टाइमाव जोंनि सीएससी मिटिंआव जों पुरा फुल कमिटि जों खाफिनाय बा नाजागनाय हामबाय
म फानिबागे 2 बोसोर बहाय के साम खायनो र
जों मेन खासिनि दफानि बागै दफाना फियकनानि थांथानो जों जोंनि दफाना सोशियली इकनमिकली एडुकेशनली जों बेफार दिगदा नाहरै जों जोंनि सामुनो जों आगावनाय आबोनि साथे साथे जोंनि गोबांमा साधारनत जों रिजनल पार्टी आंचलिक पार्टीनि जों एक ब्रादारहुड अर्गानाइजेशननि जों परिचित आबोनि बिसिं जोंनि पार्टी जों ताबुक जे पार्टीनि जों समर्थन थाइ दङ आ पार्टी खा जोंनि पार्टी आईपीएफटी जों आ पार्टीनो जों ताबुक समर्थन थाइ दङ आगामी दिनाव हयतो जों जे दफानि बागै सामुं गाहाम खायनाय दफानि बागै जे गाहामवान संनाय बरफ जदि हामु दफानि बागै वान संनाया गेंखाय जों आ जागाव दंब्ला जे दफानि बागै गाहामवान संनाय जों बरनो जों सापर्ट खायनाय ताबो पार्टी आईपीएफटी दफानि बागै दफाना फिउनानि बागै जबा खाय दङ आबोनि बागै जों ताबो बरन लगेव हिमि दङ बा बरनो जों सुबासो खाय दङ आगामी दिनाव जों जोंनि दफाना गराखाथि सानानै दफाना फिउनानि आ लामावनो जों सहयोगिता खालायनाय
There was also an oath-taking ceremony by Prem Kumar Riyang at the end of the program. Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, Chini Khorang.